8:30, we're going to be setting bombs off over here. Notice
Video.
Hello!
I took a 09 Vulcan 1700.
Well, what do you got going on here today?
We are a Victory motorcycle dealer in Fort Collins, Colorado. We're out at I-25 and Prospect, and these are our new custom Victories.
Now, we know that you guys are possibly the best ever in the world, but what makes your shop better than all the rest?
We are the only dealer in Colorado that's building custom Victories. We just finished these two last night at 6 o'clock. This orange one and this black one.
And those are hot. You should.
And I was going to get one of those.
So I'm tired. I was talking to you, I'm like, rider's classes, however normal that is, huh?
What are you working on here?
The realities patch, sewing it on a coat for
Very
a gentleman.
nice.
day, you can see these guys play tonight over at the Hideout Bar and Saloon. Give it up for the Zachariah Dean Band. Check, 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 check. Check one.
Yep, he already told me.
Did you already pre-register it?
Oh, yeah.
Well, now you can pick up your wristband today.
Oh, we can.
Check, check. Can I have it? Can you?
Do I want to do it?
Focus a little on this monitor.
Yeah, it was our 14th annual ride and so well. Craig asked me to do it again. So, if you want to have the VIP experience and get access to
See the best down in the water?
One bar would be right here, the other one would be right here.
What media?
That's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
What is?
That's his.
It's yours, sir. Tell me more about your spectacular. Walk me over there.
It's just a 1957 Ford Courier. It's an old City of Lander Police Department car. Pulled out of a junkyard in Casper, Wyoming, and that's what it is now.
Now I see the ride that you have pulling the ride is also some of interest too. What is this?
48 Ford COE, cab over.
So you're just a classic guy.
Well, we build a lot of them.
Good sir. What are you doing?
I'm handing out rag tracks and we're helping people park.
Now this is for a good cause. This
Yeah.
cause, what's it for?
Well, this is a Christian Motorcyclist Association, this is. And it's for realities for children is what we're trying to help.
I'm Batman. So I understand. Hey, pardon me. Hey, sir. I understand you got something under the hood.
Yeah, I'll come down to bed.
Let's hear it.
Dad.
Can I get a little pre-race insight?
You guys ready? Tommy, you ready? Set, go!
Oh, he's rolling!
Oh!
All you have to do is
Guys, go! Both of you! Back to the uniform!
drifting, Jamie, drifting!
Drifting, drifting!
Well, I am going to go walk one more
Whatever the name of that. Dead ends kind of in that barn.
Yeah. Off of what? Horse tooth. Horse tooth.
Woo!
Bamboo on it too?
Yeah, it's aluminum and bamboo.
Where do you get tires like that?
I don't know. It's insane, right?
Bamboo.
I know the bikes go for around $3,000. So yeah, Adam here paints it for the company. Yeah, this is his personal. Yep.
What are these bikes called?
Alibu is the name of the company, as in aluminum and
Feel how
bamboo.
light the bicycle is.
Yeah.
Pick it up. Come on, let this kid pick it up. Here, I'll let you go.
Right?
It's light, huh? And with the tires, you'd think it'd be heavy, but it's not heavy. They are everything. They're all terrain.
What style of bike is this?
It's a mountain bike.
Where are we going to see this stuff?
It's all over the place. Alibu sells bicycles all over $400. Hallelujah.
Let's see if I can crash
The
it.
one with the funny sunglasses.
That would be funny.
Yeah.
Very fun.
Gotta get the 50 warmed up here a little bit. Are you ready to go, Farmer? Can you do this? Because I think Eric can smash that monster kid, or smash that monster kid. That's good enough. How about that? Who wants to bring monster now? He's got one more. Oh, he's stopping. Let's get out. He's walking up. He's walking up. How about that? So we'll go over here. That's a good choice, though. Alright, you ready to get yourself down? Two shirts. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Come on, let me hear you. That's 50-50. Let's 50-50. I got seats there at the last second. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, I got t-shirts. Who wants them? There's one. Who wants the other one? Right there. Keep that in mind, rain or shine. Alright, you guys ready to see some stunts?